God loved you so much that he said, today I united you together to be one. Two flesh become one. And every time when you face obstacles, temptations, every time when you hear that whisper, Jesus invites you to go to him. Jesus said, look at what I did, what I came to do. I came to unite you. It is hard to be single. It is hard to be alone. It is hard to be united. But with God, he said, I will unite you together. And what God has joined together, do not let any obstacle or any problem in this world separate your love from each other.
Nu and I have known each other forever, and I'm thankful for our friendship. Nu, though I may not had grown up with Chu or shared a great deal of life experiences with him, I knew he was the one for you. When early in your relationship while talking to him, he was able to easily profess his love for you. And not every man can do that.
I just want to tell you a little bit about my brother. I've known him all my life. He used to tell us to call him the master, but I understand now why. If you love me, obey me, and mature love understands the harshness of childhood.
Chu, I just want to let you know that when I say you are a lucky man, you truly are. Nu's a wonderful, loving, and beautiful person inside and out.
As our older brother, we honor you, we respect you, and your word is valuable to us. Sister, you too, because you guys are one. You're one unit, and when you share one mind, one heart, one emotion, you hurt together, you think together, you take counsel together, you share with one mind and one purpose. Thank you. Thank you for loving my brother and becoming his soulmate, the one that he is going to share the rest of his life with.
Finding the one true love is a rare gift, and I'm so happy that you found it in each other.
Here's my hand, it's yours to hold. I give myself to you. Here's my
Chân nhẹ cho chị thiết gia phong dư xua lên sư tù bê rong xe tỏ giải nê tua cổng nô thia trương ở trong trong trốn nô nọ chỉ bê giá là ok là bê hiệu văn chữ của giờ văn lên chị văn lên tu thì văn chụp lì tu đau hú luôn bê của rong cưng gầu.
Here I am, here's all of me. You have all.
Sweetheart, I don't know how much time I have left. Now that I am old and gray, but I want you to know that the day that you and I went to Arizona and we went to Horseshoe Bend, and I confessed to you on my knees to ask your hand in marriage, is what I truly felt about you.
Becoming one, may what he's joined be not undone. May our love put Christ on display. When we're weak and when
I offer you my heart. I'm giving you all of my love.
oh God, we want your
With my life, I want to share all that I have and all that I am with you. Wherever you may go, there I also will be. In good times, I would laugh with you. and smile with you like you often do. And in bad times, I will lift you up and cry with you.
And here's my will, I submit to you. I will follow where
True. Will you take Nu to be your wife? Will you be guided by the counsel and direction God has given in His Word? And love your wife as Christ loved the church. Will you be faithful to her, cherish her, support her, and help her in sickness and in health as long as you both shall live? If so, answer, I will. No. Will you take Jude to be your husband? Will you be guided by the counsel and direction God has given in His Word? And submit to your husband as the church submits to Christ? Will you be faithful to him, cherish him, support him, and help him in sickness and in health as long as you both shall live? If so, answer, I will.
we want more of you. We are two becoming one. May what He's joined be not undone. May our love put Christ on display. We are two becoming one.
I'm so glad that tonight is finally here. Thank you everyone for traveling near and far. Sister Chong Plo. It's amazing how many people will show up just for a free meal. This is awesome, you know. But Nu, you're a beautiful, smart, funny, honest, and loyal woman. Chu, you are so blessed to Tokotu near Laura. Chu, I loved you before I met you already. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart because and you make her happy. Chu, you're charming, you're fun, you're handsome, and your smile always lights up the room. And Nu, you're so blessed to Tokotu Zilo. You're so blessed because he loves you so much. I hope that you two never stop dancing and singing and going out on your late karaoke nights. I hope you two never stop going for your $1 tacos on Tuesday at La Costa. Chu, I hope that that smile of yours and that laughter of yours will always continue to light up every room that you walk into. Welcome to the family, Chu. We love you and we can't wait to torture you. Yes.
Cú tụm thành câu nu là ni bộ bao tờ bế kia tua giờ cú ế tua bên trái bế kia tua bế ế tua bên trái rằng mình tu mình nhua tỏ nhẹ đồng xe rồi mình phải bị bao chứ thiên nu gờ nu nó ni tàu cờ ni trong sông nó nhà cờ ngộ bế ôn nhiều tí bế nhau nó bế bỏ bế chợ lẩu bế đồng xe bị tỏ tàu này thì bị ít thân dọa thổi ít thân lợn cái tia thì nó ít lúc trong xã tây của này sẽ được trâu này tàu mua lúc chơi mua xe luôn thì tôi hồi lúc trong nó
กูตุเชียเกินอาชีพนอนเองก็ต่อบอกแล้วลงเชียมอก็เชียนั่นเองอาชีพลูกน่ะมอเราก็เนี่ยกูลูกก็เนี่ยแต่เชียก็เนี่ยจนมึงรอเงินรถเอาไปเอามอไปลูกต้องลงอ่อนอ่อนนี่ย้อนอเราไปปอลงเชียเกินไอ้บอกเนี่ยเชียรอจะมีหนูเสด็จลงเชียมันก็เนี่ยอยู่ตอนนี้จะต้องลอยลงเชียอยากกูอยู่ตอนจะต้องเที่ยวออกมาเจอที่ไปย้อนออกไปอินลูนี่เขาไปชิมย้อนออกอินลูนี่หายตอนนี้เนี่ยเนาะนี่ชิลูนะกูหายตอนนี้เสื้อมา
If you stay for this minute, girl, I'll never let you down. We ain't off the limit. I could hold you after now. No more talking, I don't know what you wanna do with that. It feels good, why you even wanna hold it back? We just walk and I know there's no coming back. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I wanna slow dance if you're feeling me now. If we don't hold hands, you'll be killing me now. I need a romance, one chance. I just wanna know where you slow dance. I wanna slow dance if you're feeling me now. If we don't hold hands, you'll be killing me now. We need a romance, one chance. I just wanna know where you slow dance.
And do you mind if I say it? Just wanna have you around. We take, then we give it. Something lifts us off the ground, baby. No more talk, I don't know what you wanna do with that. If it's good, why you even wanna hold it back? We just work, so I know that there's no going back. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I wanna slow dance if you're feeling me now. If we don't hold hands, you'll be killing me now. I need a romance, one chance. I just wanna know where you slow dance. I wanna slow dance if you're feeling me now. If we don't